Hey everybody.
Hi everybody.
It's Mark Ruffalo.
I'm Mark Ruffalo. This
and
is Chris Evans. We're here letting you know that it's what, the last day?
It's the end of our Omaze campaign.
This
both
is it.
Of us.
This is it. The last day.
If you want to come and join us at the premiere,
it's going to be a good one.
If you
it's
want
a big one.
Thor's hammer. If you want to, this is a historical moment. They're selling these tickets for $15,000 online on eBay right now.
It's gonna be a good night.
And you can come with us without having to spend $15,000.
You can meet all the cast.
All of
bring
us.
You around. It'll be special. Come on.
And so I'm supporting my alma mater, the Stella Adler Academy of Acting and Theater.
That's great. I'm supporting a charity I work with, Christopher's Haven. They provide housing for families and kids who are being treated for cancer. It's a great place. It does a lot of good work. So listen, these are good causes. You want to be a part of this. So
go to Omaze. This is the end of it. It's the end game. This is the end of 21 movies. And the grand finale.
Is there like a thing we should say? Like Omaze/something? What do we have? Omaze, I don't see it.
Omaze.com/Chris.
Is that it? Is that simple? Yes. Omaze.com/Mark.
That's us.
Do it. Don't be an idiot.
We love you. Thank you.